The next topic is the structure of hemoglobin. The hemoglobin is the tetramer of the myoglobin. Here tetra means 4 and meros means units. So in hemoglobin there are 4 units which are present in the myoglobin. As we know that in the myoglobin there is one heme group and a protein chain attached at the fifth position of this carbon. So simply we can say in a myoglobin there is one heme group and one protein chain. So for simplification we can also draw the structure of myoglobin like as supposed to be this is our heme group and the protein chain is overlapped at this heme group in case of myoglobin, and this is our protein chain which is overlapped on this heme group. So here we are having one heme group and one protein chain. So this is structure of the myoglobin. In hemoglobin there are 4 units, means 4 heme groups and 4 protein chain which are overlapped on that 4 heme group. Let these are 4 heme group of the myoglobin, and this is the globin protein which is overlapped on this first heme group. In this rest of the 3 heme group also overlapped with the globin protein. This is the structure of the hemoglobin. So in hemoglobin there are 4 heme groups, that is first, second, third, fourth. Out of these 4 heme groups, 2 heme groups are divided into one subunit, that is subunit 1, and rest of the 2 are divided into another subunit, that is subunit 2. In the protein chain of subunit 1, there are 141 amino acids. In protein chain of both these 2 heme groups, total number of amino acids are 41. And the total number of amino acid in the rest of 2 protein chain is 146 amino acid. The total molecular mass of this hemoglobin is 64,500 Dalton. Da means Dalton. The next topic is the difference between myoglobin and hemoglobin. As we know that there is only one heme group and one protein chain in case of the myoglobin, and 4 heme groups and 4 protein chain in case of the hemoglobin. That's why hemoglobin is also called as tetramer of myoglobin. Hb is the tetramer of myoglobin. In the protein chain of myoglobin, 150 amino acid is present, while in case of the hemoglobin, 141 to 146 amino acids are present in the protein chain. Myoglobin is smaller than hemoglobin, so molecular mass of myoglobin is 17,000 Dalton, while that the molecular mass of the hemoglobin is 64,500 Dalton. The fourth difference is that the myoglobin do not show the cooperativity effect, while the hemoglobin show the cooperativity effect. The cooperativity effect we will study later on in this chapter. The next very important difference is that the oxygen binding curve of the myoglobin is hyperbolic, while the oxygen binding curve of the hemoglobin is sigmoid shaped, or I can say S shaped. In this curve we will also discuss this curve later on. So supposed to be this is our x-axis and this is y-axis. On x-axis we will take the partial pressure of oxygen, and y-axis we will take the percentage saturation. In case of the myoglobin the curve is like this, that is hyperbolic curve, while in case of the hemoglobin the curve, percentage saturation curve or the oxygen binding curve is like that. This is the sigmoid, or I can say S-shaped curve. The one more difference is that the main function of the myoglobin is to bind the oxygen in the muscle cell. This oxygen which is binded with the muscle cell is used during the anaerobic conditions, or the main function of the hemoglobin is it helps to transport the oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood.